Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss important cue cards from May to August 2019. These cue cards are expected in the coming months. The first cue card is describe a painting competition you attended or saw in the past time. In this topic you can talk about any painting competition you have visited or participated in. Second topic is describe a time when you were outside and rain started. In this topic you can talk about a situation that you had to change your plan due to rain, or you were outside for some activity but you had to cancel it because of rain. Third topic is talk about a piece of furniture you have. This topic you can talk about any furniture you have at your home. You can talk about table, you can talk about dining, you can talk about bed. Fourth topic is talk about a restaurant which provided you bad food service. In this topic you can talk about any restaurant where you went to and you did not experience a good service. Fifth topic is describe a comedy actor or actress which you watched on TV. In this topic you can talk about any male or female actor who is comedian and you have watched that person on television or movies. Sixth topic is describe someone in your own family you really admire. In this topic you can talk about your father, mother, your brother, your any other family member who you really admire and you want to become like them. You have to talk about their qualities. Seventh topic is talk about a person with whom you like to spend your leisure time. In this topic you can talk about your family member, your friend or any other person with whom you like to spend your leisure time. Eighth topic is describe a library you visit. In this topic you can talk about any library, school library, college library, state library, city library where you visit regularly. Ninth topic is describe your favorite movie or film. In this topic you can talk about any movie, recent movie you have seen or any old movie which is your favorite. You have to describe where you saw, why you like this movie. 10th topic is describe one of your favorite photographs. In this topic you have to speak about any photograph, whether it is yours or anybody else you like. 11th topic is talk about your most favorite season in your own country. In this topic you can talk about the seasons, you can talk about autumn, spring, winter, summer, rainy season, whichever season you like. 12th topic is describe your favorite restaurant. In this topic you can talk about any restaurant where you like to go to, what kind of service they provide and why you like that restaurant. 13th topic is describe a river or sea you visit or visited. In this topic you can talk about any river like Ganges, Yamuna or any sea where you have visited or you visit. 14th topic is describe a garden you remember. In this topic you have to talk about a particular garden which you remember, whether you visited or you visited in your childhood or long time back. You can talk about why you remember that garden. 15th topic is describe one of your childhood memories. In this topic you can talk about any childhood memories which you are fond of, like learning, bicycling from your parents or sibling, or anything you have learnt in your childhood or any moments you enjoyed with your siblings. 16th topic is describe a sporting event you attended. In this topic you can talk about any sports event where you went to or you have attended or you have participated. You can talk about that also. 17th topic is describe an occasion when you were congratulated. In this topic you have to talk about an occasion when people congratulated you. That means you have achieved something. You can talk about your achievement. 18th topic is describe a very important letter you received. In this topic you can talk about any important letter where you got appreciation or any job offer letter or any other letter which is very important to you. 19th topic is describe something you own which is very important to you. In this topic you have to talk about anything which you have and which is very important to you. It can be your jewelry piece, your watch, your mobile, anything which you own. 20th topic is describe someone you know who is a good cook. In this topic you have to talk about anybody you know who has good cooking skills. It can be your family member, it can be any of your friends or relatives. 21st topic is describe your summer holidays or vacations. In this topic you have to describe about your summer holidays and vacations. You can generally talk about how you spend your vacations and holidays, or you can talk about particular holidays which you already enjoyed in last summers. 22nd topic is describe a teacher from your past who you yet remember. In this topic you can talk about your school teacher, college teacher who you remember and you are very influenced from, or you admired for few reasons. You can describe those. 23rd topic is describe one of your neighbor. In this topic you can talk about any person who is living in your neighborhood. You have to talk about their qualities, their profession, what kind of person that is. 24th topic is talk about a practical skill you have. In this topic you have to talk about any particular practical skill, like it can be driving, cooking or stitching, embroidery, anything. 25th topic is describe a life-changing experience. In this topic you have to talk about any experience you had in past which has changed your life. It can be related to some incident, it can be related to any seminar you attended or anybody you met. 26th topic is describe a club you organize or involved in. In this topic you have to talk about a club you are a member of or you have made that club. It can be related to animals, it can be related to protection of environment. 27th topic is describe an irritating person in your neighborhood. In this topic you can talk about anybody who lives in your neighborhood and that person is irritating. You can talk about their irritating habits. For example, a person, he interferes in others' life or he creates mess in the area. 28th topic is describe something healthy you enjoy doing. In this topic you have to talk about any activity you do which keeps you healthy and you enjoy doing. It can be jogging, it can be running, it can be yoga. 29th topic is talk about a product you bought but you are not satisfied with. In this topic you have to talk about any product which you have bought but you are not satisfied with the features. The features are different or you are not satisfied the way you have thought of. 30th topic is describe your first day at work or college. In this topic you have to talk about your first day at work or college, like how nervous you were, what you did and what kind of people you met on that day. 31st topic is talk about a funny incident that happened to you. In this topic you can talk about any funny incident, like you forgot dialogues on stage, somebody pasted tail or anything on your head or back. 32nd topic is describe a national festival in your country. In this topic you can talk about any national festival like Diwali, Christmas. 33rd topic is describe something you plan to learn in future. It can be related to your studies, it can be related to other things like you want to learn some language, you want to learn some skill. 34th topic is describe a surprise party you organize for your friend. In this topic you have to talk about why you gave surprise, what kind of surprise it was, how you organized that party. 35th topic is describe the environmental pollution in your city. In this topic you can talk about a particular environmental pollution in your city, what kind of pollution it is, why it is there, what can be done. 36th topic is talk about your favorite subject in your academic life. In this topic you can talk about any favorite subject, science subject, social science subject, any other subject, maths, environmental science which you liked. 37th topic is describe a job or career you have or you hope to have. In this topic you can talk about any job you are planning to do or you are already doing. 38th topic is talk about a pet you had. In this topic you can talk about any pet you had. It can be dog, it can be cat. You have to describe what kind of pet it was, why you kept it, what was the experience. 39th topic is describe a service that was not good and you complained about it. In this topic you can talk about any services that was not good. For example, you ordered something online and you did not receive the same thing and you have complained it, how it got resolved. 40th topic is describe a TV program which has made a strong impression on you. In this topic you can talk about any TV program which has made strong impact on you. It can be very positive impact, like it has impressed you in some manner. 41st topic is talk about a statue in your city or hometown. In this topic you can talk about any statue. It can be related to any leader or any politician and what kind of statue it is, what people do there. 42nd topic is talk about your favorite music band. In this topic, you have to talk about any music band you admire, how many members are there in band, what kind of music they play. 43rd topic is talk about a time when someone did not tell you the whole truth. In this topic, you have to talk about a situation when people hide the truth from you. It can be in positive manner, like they planned a birthday party, they did not tell you, or you failed in exam, but nobody tell you because you would have felt bad. 44th topic is a time when you wish to do something but you did not have time. In this topic, you have to talk about a situation you were planning to do something but because of lack of time you could not do that. For example, you were planning to go for a party, you were planning to go for camping, but you did not have time for that. 45th topic is talk about something you started that is good for your health. In this topic, you have to talk about like you were not aware about some activities which are good for health. Once you become aware, you started doing, now you are healthy, you feel better. Why you started that activity, you have to talk about all. 46th topic is talk about an occasion when visitors from another country visited your home. In this topic, you have to talk about any visitor of any other country, what kind of culture they had, what kind of people they were. You have to talk about all these things in this topic. So these are the important topics from May to August. We will share more information in next videos. Thank you.